Hello! Welcome to the Create and Learn channel, where we make magic with technology. Today, we are going to be going over how to make Minecraft mods for beginners, so no experience needed. You won't believe the cool things you'll be able to create inside your Minecraft world. Let's check it out. Today, we are going to be using the Learn to Mod software. Learn to Mod is a paid-for software, but it is entirely worth it because of its easy-to-use interface. Find out more about Learn to Mod at learntomod.com. Once you're ready, you just need to log in. Then we're going to go up to Play, My Server, and Start Your Server. It will take a second to get it all started up. What you can do now is copy these numbers and paste it right into Minecraft. So you want to go to Multiplayer, Direct Connect, delete whatever you have in there, and paste your new server address. You can now join your server and run mods from there. Now going back to Learn to Mod, you want to hit Play and Mods. Now we can make our own mod. So name your mod. I'm going to call this Tutorial. And hit Blockly. It'll pop up on the right. You hit See Inside. Then Code. And you're in the modding environment. It may seem a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry. I'm going to break it all down for you. Over here on the left, you have a couple sections where you can find some coding blocks. In the Minecraft section, you have tons of different things that you can choose from. You can go under Entities, Players, Drones to place blocks, even look at particles, and Minecraft materials. Under Logic, you've got if-else statements, equal tos, ands for combining things, and other coding concepts found here. Under Loops, you can find repeat blocks to repeat your code. Under Math, you can find, well, math. Text is how you can write messages in your mod. Lists allow you to create a list with your mod. Maybe you want to group things together. Some materials, some different objects. Who knows? There's tons of uses for lists. Under Variables, you can set things and name things. And Functions is how to group things, keep things organized. So right now, we're actually going to make our first mod. In Learn to Mod and most programming languages, everything starts from a main function. Let's pull out function do something, change it to main. Perfect. Now we can start our mod. Maybe let's spawn a mob and place a block. So for this, we need to use drones. So drones are basically invisible robots that can move around, spawn entities, and place blocks. So first, we need to pull out the new drone, go down to Variables, set item to, place that in there, and rename that to D. That's just the standard. So set D to new drone. Now let's have our drone place a block and then spawn a mob. So we'll pick out something fancy, diamond block, and then let's spawn a fun mob. Go to Entities, Entity Type, put that in there, hit the drop down, and pick out what you want. I'm gonna go with a witch. So now all we have to do is hit Mod, go over to our Minecraft server, go inside of our chest, pull out our modding book, place it in our hotbar, scroll over to it, and hit the right click button. Boom. And it spawns a witch and a diamond block right inside the ground. So maybe we want the witch not to spawn in the ground there. So let's change that. You can move your drone like this. This way, the witch won't spawn in the ground, but the diamond block will. So let's try that again. Hit mod. Right click. And boom. Our witch, she's above ground, and our block is in the ground. So if you wanted to, you could build structures, spawn tons of different types of mobs, and even make games. So let's go back to the modding environment. Let's try something a little bit more fun. So I'm going to pull out an event block, and I'm going to pull out the do function blank when blank happens. We're going to make another function. We're going to call this function explosion. And inside here, we're going to make some explosions. So let's get out the particles. Let's spawn particle at location. Let's duplicate that. And let's throw in a particle. So you guys can pick whatever kind of particle you want. I'm going to do huge explosion and fireworks spark. And let's make sure it's right at our own location. So you go into players, pull out me, then entities, location of. Boom. Now, let's call that function. So we're going to go into miscellaneous, pull out our explosion function, and when we break a block, the explosion and the fireworks spark is going to happen. So we go back into events, block break event, let's run our mod, and break a block, create some explosions. So every time you break a block, all those explosions. And you can mess around in the learn to mod modding environment and figure out what you can do. There's tons of different things you can choose from. Maybe you want to spawn some more entities. Maybe you want to strike lightning. Who knows? You can just add on to different things. Now it's going to strike lightning. Ah, and I'm on fire. Like I mentioned before, I encourage you guys to check out the Learn to Mod coding environment and try to make mods yourself. Just look through all the different categories and I'm sure you'll find something that will pique your interest. Have fun modding! Want to learn more? Check out our Minecraft Code to Mod classes. They are all led by experts where you can learn how to make amazing mods. If you want to expand your Minecraft knowledge, go to www.create-learn.us to sign up and learn more. Until then, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. See you next time.